Tired of endless copy pasting from websites? Let's automate data extraction with ChatGPT and Zapier. First, you'll need accounts on both Zapier and OpenAI. The creators of ChatGPT make sure you're logged in and ready to connect them. In Zapier, click on the Create Zap button to start building your automation. This is where the magic begins. For the trigger, let's use RSS by Zapier. This will monitor a specific website's RSS feed for new content. Type RSS in the search bar. Select RSS by Zapier, and then choose New Item in Feed as the event. Paste the website's RSS feed URL into the provided field. You can find this on most news sites or blogs. Click Continue and then Test Trigger to confirm Zapier can access the feed. Now for the action. Search for ChatGPT and selected choose Conversation as the event. You'll be prompted to connect your OpenAI account. This requires your API key, which you can find in your OpenAI developer dashboard. Paste it in and continue. This is where you tell ChatGPT what to do in the prompt field. Craft your instructions. For example, summarize the following article. Finally, let's send the summary to your email. Search for Email by Zapier and choose it as the action. Select Send Email as the event. Fill in your email address, a subject line like Website Summary, and in the body field, insert the ChatGPT response. This will be the summarized information. Now, name your Zap something descriptive like Website Summary Automation. Toggle the switch to turn it on, and you're all set. Now you will automatically receive summaries of new content from the selected website.